Then pinagbabasag.
Actor Sandro Mulak tells senators how Jojo Nones and Richard Cruz, independent contractors of GMA Network, molested him after the network's gala on July 20. Mulak says he repeats the assault happened after he was made to use what could have been illegal drugs.
Tapos, inaputan po nila ako ng wine. Pininom po ako ni Sir Jojo ng wine. Then, nag-abot nga po siya ng 500 peso bill sa akin. Then, may nilagay po siyang white substance dun po sa table ng hotel. Then, pinagbabasag po niya ng hotel room keycard. Tapos, ayun po, tinuruan po niya ako kung paano gamitin po yung substance. Nauna po silang suminghot ni Toddy Cruz, sila pong dalawa. Then ako po yung pinasunod nila. Then after ilang minutes po, hinila nga po ako ni Sir Jojo sa kama. Then si Toddy Cruz po, tinanggal po yung polo ko. Bigla po niyang yung nipples ko po. Parehas, sobrang sakit po. Then si Sir Jojo po, binaba po yung pantalon ko.
Cruz was unable to present at the hearing. His lawyer says he's confined at a hospital. But Nones was there, and questioning from Senator Jinggoy Estrada quickly turned into a heated argument.
Do you apologize? Yes or no?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination,
answer
Your Honor.
Get
I already answered this question, Your Honor. And you didn't naman accept my answer, Your Honor. You didn't accept my answer, Your Honor. So I invoke my right to self-incrimination. This is my constitutional right.
Argue! Ikaw na nga ang ikaw pa mayabang dito.
Hindi po ako mayabang, Your Honor. May mga karapatan din po akong constitutional.
I know your rights.
And yet you have detained me for 8 days, Your Honor.
I will still detain you.
For just exercising my constitutional rights, you continue to detain me. It's an injustice.
I know your rights. You're always trying to evade the questions that are not incriminating to yourself. At the very start of this hearing, you get a court order for you to be released here.
Nones also denies reaching out to Sandro after the GMA gala.
Umamin na raw po sa kanila na meron nga nangyari. Kaso, ang akala daw nila, okay lang. So, I don't understand kung bakit bilang all of a sudden iba na yung storya nila.
The TV director has been detained in the Senate since August 19 after he was cited in contempt by Senator Estrada for lying. Entertainment agencies present at the hearing promised to implement tighter measures to prevent harassment. Bea de la Cruz, BNC.
No po, Your Honor.